Hello, Three Men Movers San Antonio. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your business. So we're going to be covering the website, the front page, content, the Google Business Profile, as well as backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button, the book now, and the quote form over here, the instant estimate. So that's really well done over there, just making it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. These videos are really good because they increase the amount of time that people stay on your website, and that's a metric that actually Google looks into when determining which websites are the most relevant ones. So well done there. And you have some of the reasons why people should actually book and choose you for their to do their relocation or to do their move or yeah, move. So your website is your front page. It is a well laid out front page, very easy to navigate. And in terms of the amount of content, it currently has 1908 words. And content is important because Google likes to see content. To be optimized for Google, you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words, and you have that content. And because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google so that Google can actually, whenever they perform that search, Google is going to be able to find you if you have the right content in your website. Let's have a look at two other companies. So Two Men and a Truck, these guys have 1,826 words, and Movers of San Antonio, they have 1,091 words in their front page. So definitely winning there in terms of the amount of content is just making sure that you have the right content. I came here to the Google search and I type in San Antonio Movers, and the first section that you see is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The only thing is that they can be expensive if they're not done correctly, and some people just turn them off in their browsers, so they just skip the whole section. The second section is the Google Maps or the Google Business Profile, and in this section, to rank in this section, you need three things. And actually, you are ranking on the third position. So well done there, because this section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic. And you need three things. You need optimized and geotag pictures. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those. And the name, address, and phone number need to be an exact match with those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top three positions. So uh, by the looks of it, looks like you're actually doing very well in that aspect. And this is the third section, which is the Google Organic Search. And you're actually ranking here on the front page of Google for San Antonio Movers. I can see that you are here. But then this is where I found your two competitors. And this is what I want to share with you. So you first have to rank it, excuse me, to rank here in the Google Organic Search, you first need a website that is safe, secure, that is responsive, and that has the right content. Now, you also need something that we call backlinks. So right now, I am looking, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and I am looking at the back end of your website at the San Antonio landing page only, and I can see that there are 59 external websites pointing through 347 links to your website. So directing traffic to your website through 347 links. Two Men and a Truck, these guys have 24 for their San Antonio landing page. They have 24 external websites directing traffic through 144 links. And Movers of San Antonio, they have 147 external websites directing traffic through 759 backlinks. So you can see that you are have a little bit more than Two Men and a Truck, but they're actually managing to rank up higher. And that's because this backlink profile it's not only about having more backlinks, but having quality backlinks, which are the links that are sitting on websites related to the services that you provide and the industry that you operate in, because this is a mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing in Google. And by having quality backlinks, Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority in that particular field. Now, your website is being found for 200 organic keywords. I came here, this view is the organic keywords that you are being found for. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position you're appearing for that particular keyword. So looks like you are on the first position for San Antonio Moving Services, Moving Help San Antonio, and San Antonio Moving Help. Anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be a little bit harder to attract traffic, but you're actually getting, look, Moving Company San Antonio has a search volume of 2,300 searches per month, and you're getting 54 visits. So it looks like you are ranking, and you are actually on the front page of Google, and this is the traffic that you're getting. But what I wanted to share with you is have a look at two men and a track. These guys are being found for 191 organic keywords, and because they are on the first position for Mover San Antonio, which has a search volume of 2,600, just for that keyword, they are getting an estimate traffic or visits to their website of 690 visits per month. Moving Company San Antonio, 2,300 searches per month. Because they're on the third position, they're getting 255 visits per month. So there are quite a number of keywords that they are ranking on the first position. And I actually added up a few. And actually, I noticed for those that I added up that the total search volume, for example, for Mover San Antonio, Moving Company San Antonio, San Antonio Movers, Mover San Antonio TX, San Antonio Moving Services, San Antonio Moving Service, Movers in San Antonio, the total search volume is 8,250 searches per month. Two men and a truck are ranking on the top positions in the Google organic search, and it means that they are getting 1,517 searches per month for those keywords that I mentioned, which account to 18% of the traffic in total, on average. So that's 1,517. I did the same exercise for your keywords and the traffic, the estimate traffic that you might be getting, and you're getting 271 visits to your website against 1,517. So that's a huge difference, and that's a lot of traffic that you're leaving on the table. So what you actually, and that's actually I mean, it's equal to, on average, to 3% of the traffic. So what you really want to do is first make sure that your website is ranking for the relevant keywords with the highest search volume. Looks like it is currently ranking for those keywords. And then build that backlink profile so that you can outrank your competitors and rank at the top and dominate the market and get a portion of that traffic, because it means that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often. And that's how, by increasing the traffic to your website, is that you're going to be able to increase and grow your business. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.